And with that, it's time for a check on the weather with Elizabeth. Still wet and windy, as we saw out there.
Certainly is. It's been a busy day of weather today, from Storm Barra, of course, which has been barrelling its way eastwards across the whole country. We haven't borne the brunt of it. That's been a lot further west. But here is one casualty. Some really strong, gusty winds around, gusting 40 to 50 miles an hour for the second half of the afternoon. And of course, there's been a lot of heavy rain around as well. Here's a rather sodden Oxford Street, as you can see. And if you are still travelling for the rest of the evening, then do take care, because there's plenty of surface water around, some really large puddles out there, and still some strong gusty winds to come as well, although they have eased down a little. There is still a Met Office weather warning in force, valid until midnight, of course, for the strength of the winds. As for the rest of the week, well, if you haven't had enough wet and windy weather, then it's still going to be wet and windy at times, although Thursday is looking an awful lot calmer. So this is what went on earlier on. As you can see, we had our storm just pushing its way eastwards there. We've had the strongest gusts of wind already. You can see all these showers following on in the wake behind that main weather front, and that's what we're going to see through this evening and overnight, and also for much of the day tomorrow as well. So still expect to see a few showers around. It's still blustery out there as well. Temperatures will dip to around 5 to 7 degrees Celsius, but they're largely, unimportant really. It will just be the strength of the wind, also the showers as we head into tomorrow morning. Far too windy, of course, for any frost to form. And it's still blustery throughout the day tomorrow as well. Still some strong gusty winds, particularly tomorrow morning, and then they'll tend to ease down somewhat as we head through the end of the afternoon and into the evening. There'll be a big drop in the wind gusts, but still some showers around tomorrow. It's still feeling cold as well. Some of those showers could line up. There will be some brighter spells, I think, through the morning, although clouding over again into the afternoon. Again, temperatures 6 to 8 degrees Celsius. By the time we get to Thursday, though, much lighter winds. It's not a bad looking day, much calmer. There will be a lot more cloud than we're suggesting here, I think, and temperatures again at around 6 to 8 degrees Celsius. It turns a lot milder though as we head into the weekend. Temperatures in double figures. Riz.
Thanks very much, Elizabeth. Well, for the latest on the weather and the other stories in the capital, check out our website and social media. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely evening. Bye-bye.